In this video, I'm going to share with you how to get started with Webinarjam $1 trial for 30 days. So if you directly go to the Webinarjam website, okay, if we search Webinarjam on Google and if you go to their main website, webinarjam.com, so you will find that there is no option to get a trial. Okay, if you scroll down, they are saying get started. If I click on get started or if I click on plans and pricing, it directly gives you option for different pricing. Okay, starter, basic, professional, enterprise plan. If I click here on the basic plan, get started, so it is asking me directly to get started. I mean, it is asking me to actually pay for this. Okay, so all these are annual plans. So if I just click here on continue, so it is asking me to directly pay $948. If I can convert this currency into my own local currency. I am in India, so it is going to charge me 76,000 right away. But suppose if I don't want to take this, and if I try to close the website, they actually give us a $1 trial also. So if I click on start trial, so just let's see, so how many days they are giving us on their main website. Okay, so on the main website, again the same data again, and then it is giving us 14 days trial. So by default we get 14 days trial, and after that annual plan is $948 per year. But if you go to my affiliate link, that is Webinarjam, dnaclub.in/webinarjam, so you can actually avail 30 days trial for just $1. Okay, so instead of taking 14 days trial, it is always better to take 30 days trial. So if you go to this link, you can just see here start with $1 trial. Okay, so click here start with $1 and you can get started with this. Okay, and then within 1 month you can decide if this is worth for you. Go ahead and you can stop it anytime within this 30 days. Now this is my affiliate link. If you want to try, if you want to go ahead, I am sharing this link in the video description also. And after taking through this, you don't have to pay anything extra. Actually, it is a benefit for you, and this is going to support me to create more powerful tutorials for you on this YouTube channel. So please go ahead and use this affiliate link, and I'm going to assist you more through my content on this YouTube channel. Again, dnaclub.in/webinarjam.